Hey, hello everyone, this is Castillo from moneymakerarea.com, and in this video I'm going to be talking about affiliate marketing for beginners, how to make money online, what top affiliates are doing to really crush it with affiliate marketing. But before I get into the topic, if this is the very first time you're in my channel, welcome. Please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. I'm usually talking about how to make money online, passive income, lead generation, traffic sources, and related topics. So if this is something that you want to go ahead and master, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. Do not forget to hit the notification bell. I don't want you to miss a video. As I mentioned before, in today's video I'm going to be talking about what top affiliates are actually doing to make money online. This is for beginners, or this is actually for persons who are not getting the results that they know that they should be getting by now. First of all, you need to understand that you need to put yourself out there. Okay, you need to put yourself out there. I don't know why, but for some reason, most people who just getting started with affiliate marketing, they think like, okay, I'm gonna join this program and it's gonna give me money. I'm gonna be making money online. I really don't know why. Maybe because most people brand it like, okay, this is gonna be something that you're gonna be set it and forget it, but that's not the right way to be doing affiliate marketing. And actually, if you check out what top affiliate marketers are doing, first of all, they are building a brand. Okay, the brand can be yourself, your name, or if you have a domain that you like, maybe you already have a company and you want to call yourself that way, that's okay, but you need to build a brand. People need to understand that, hey, you're an expert and you are already an expert. You have certain skills, certain knowledge by now, or maybe you're a person who are learning. You can learn, do, and teach, right? Okay, you need to be creating valuable content on a regular basis, and let me emphasize on a regular basis, because this is something that I don't know as well, I don't understand as well. And I was doing this mistake when I get started. I was like, okay, I'm gonna create a video today. Maybe I'm gonna create my next video on the next 3 months, and then I'm gonna be complaining like, this doesn't work. People are talking about video marketing, but this is not working. Or maybe you're going to be blogging and you are going to be creating a blog post today and maybe the other one on next year. Of course, you're not going to be getting any traffic. The same if you have an Instagram account, the same if you have a Facebook group. Whatever you decide, to market, you need to be creating valuable content on a regular basis. Okay, you need to be the other thing is that you need to be in touch with your audience consistently, because people don't buy the product right away. That's the minority. They need to learn more about the product that you're promoting, learn more about the opportunity that you're promoting, right? So they can make the purchase decision. So that's why it's really important that you need to be creating an email. You need to be creating an email list, or if you decide to go ahead and create a chatbot list, right? So you are going to be in touch with these people, because this is something that happens before. Previously, we used to memorize the URL, right, of the blog that we love or the YouTube channel that we like. But now we are consuming so much content that we really don't memorize it. Sometimes we don't even know the name of the person who is talking to us, right? So that's why you need to be emailing your people pretty consistently, or if you're using chatbot, you need to be in touch with them via chatbot pretty consistently. Always providing valuable content, right? And this content is going to be associated with the product that you're going to be promoting. You need to understand that this is going to take time. Okay, those people who have a quote-unquote overnight success is because they have been doing this for a while now. Okay, when you get started, you have no audience, right? You have no content out there. No one's really know who you are. So how are they gonna, connect with you if they don't know who you are? So you need to understand that this is gonna take time. It doesn't matter if you're doing paid traffic. There is no instant gratification, because there are gonna be things that you're gonna be tweaking, right? Maybe your landing page is not gonna be working as you expected at the beginning, right? but with time you're going to be improving it. Maybe your email sequence is not the best, maybe because the subjects aren't the best, so this is something that you are going to you need to understand that it's going to take time. Of course, comparing this business model with another business models is what I mean, like with offline business models is um, you're going to have results way faster. Okay, you need to understand that, yeah, you're going to have results way faster, but again, this is going to take time. Those people who are quote unquote making $1,000 per day overnight is because they already have experience, they already have the budget, they already have the audience. So if this is not your case, don't worry, don't panic. Just you just need to have the right mindset. Okay, this is something that at the beginning we don't have. Because why? Because whenever you watch a YouTube video, or whenever you go to a blog post, or if you're following someone on Facebook, Instagram, or any other social network, they put like, hey, today I make $3,000, let me teach you how. Right? Because they already have an audience, they people already follow them, people already connect with them. So you need to understand that. And but the most important thing is that you need to take action. Yeah, right now you're watching this video, that's okay, but you need to be creating videos, creating blog posts. If you want to grow your own Facebook group, you need to be creating content out there, showing your Facebook group. If you're going to be creating or growing your Instagram account, you need to do the same, even if you're on Twitter, right? So you need to take action. You need to have a balance between the amount of content that you're going to consume and the amount of video that you're going to consume. Yes, at the beginning it's going to be harder to create content. It happens to me. You're not going to be happy with the content that is going to be out there. Maybe you don't like your tone of voice. Maybe you are not that good at reading, right? But don't worry, with times and with practice, everything is going to be way easier for you. Okay, and people are going to relate with you because maybe they are on the same situation right now. There are going to be people who are going to connect with you, and there are going to be people who are going to connect with me, and that's okay. But you're not going to have that opportunity if you don't take action. Okay, if you don't take action. And the other thing that top affiliates are doing is that they're learning skills, they're buying courses. Okay, so you need to do the same. Don't think that a course it's gonna be an expense. Okay, no, that's not the case. It's actually gonna be an investment. Why? Because that's gonna be your shortcut. Okay, you're gonna be learning from people that they are already on the level that you want to reach, right? So you don't have to be like trying to figure out how to do things, guessing what's the next step. I know there's a lot of good content out there on YouTube. There's a good content out there on several blogs, right? Even on Facebook, people are sharing good tips. But it's just that there's like a couple of tips. If you want to know how to go from A to Z, right, in a logical order, you need to buy a course. Okay, at the beginning you're gonna learn a lot, and with time you are not gonna be learning that much, but there's always golden nuggets. Okay, there's always golden nuggets, there's always good things that you're gonna be learning. And if you want to know like what's the course that changed my everything, my mindset, my results, the way I do see myself, my goals, it's actually explode my results, and it's actually helping me to reach my full potential. I'm gonna leave a link below. It's just $7, so there is no like a huge investment. I'm gonna leave a link below so you can check it out. But yes, it's really important for you to be creating content, creating valuable content on a regular basis. You know, try to have a rhythm. Make this a routine. Maybe you cannot create content every single day, but maybe you can create content once per week. It's not ideal, but it's better than nothing, because in a year you're gonna have 52 videos. If you create, two videos per week, you're gonna have 104 videos, and so on, right? You're gonna feel way more comfortable creating them. You are gonna be, connecting with people. You don't need to have a massive audience. That's the other thing that a lot of people say, like, okay, if I really want to make tons of money online, I have to have a massive audience. No, it's not like that. By the time I'm recording this video, I have over 1,000 subscribers. My YouTube channel isn't that big. My email list isn't that big, but I'm connecting with people. I'm connecting with people, and that's the reason why I'm getting results and I'm making money online. So again, you need to take action. You need to educate yourself. Okay, so try to understand that this is a long-term game. This is a business. I always emphasize this on my YouTube channel. It's a business. It's not a get-rich scheme. Yet you need to understand that your journey is going to be your journey, right? Your path is going to be your path. Don't compare to other people. I can tell you by experience that there are going to be other people who are going to be getting faster results than you, but they're going to quit for some reason. There are going to be other people who are getting lower results or not as fast as the other, and they're going to stick and backwards. So understand that your journey is your journey, your path is your path. Make a commitment with your success and take action. So if you have some comments, some questions, leave it in the comment area and I'll be more than happy to answer them. If you find some golden nuggets, please give me a thumbs up. That's gonna help me, it's gonna help my video, it's gonna help my channel. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell, and I see you on the next video.